architect Amulya. I'm here today to talk about the well-known UPVC window and door manufacturing company Fenestra and my experience working closely with the company. So let me start by saying that I'm one of those lucky people who got to design my own house from the design stage to the construction stage as an architect and my parents being my own clients. So I really wanted to experiment with the scale of the windows and also the typology that was available. And that is when I came across the Fenestra company, and they really backed me up with all the technical solutions that I required to be able to execute my ideas on site. As you see in the video, the height of the windows, the span up to 10 feet height and the length up to 13 to 14 feet. And also I have used a lot of corner windows in the front elevation to be able to open up the space from the inside to the outside. And also these windows add a lot of value to the elevation design in the front. So before all this began, we visited a few ongoing projects in Shimoga that were using UPVC windows Fenestra. And to understand the windows better and also to get to know the user experience in person. And after which we visited the showroom in Shimoga, and they gave us a detailed explanation about the windows and the technical details as well. The sectional model and the color samples, all of it was brought to the site, and we were made to understand the best possible design solution that can go into my project. We got a good clarity to go about the project, and after we signed up with them, even the installation team did a fabulous job getting all the work done in time. After the installation, the following up was quite good, and any minor issue that came up here and there was rectified within a day or two, so we were really happy about that. The most amazing thing I would really like to mention here, apart from the quality of these windows, is that how perfectly it cuts out all the outside noises. Even if you're just enjoying the living room or the bedroom, it just absolutely, we have no disturbance from the outdoors. So since this is gust proof as well as soundproof, I would really want my clients to have these for really easier maintenance as well as better indoor experience. So overall, it has been a really smooth ride with the company, and I'm really happy and satisfied with the people that I've worked with as well as the product. Thank you.